Hello, welcome to another video tutorial from Easiok. I hope you're going to enjoy. In today's tutorial, you're going to create a retro effect, a retro 3D effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notification whenever we upload new videos. So we are going to create a retro effect, a retro 3D effect in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to create here some text. So this is the text I'm going to work on. The next thing I'm going to do is I have to duplicate. I need 3 layers to work on, so I'm going to create 3 layers by just picking up the Easiok layer and dropping it at the new layer, or you can just do that by Control J to do a copy, or rather a duplicate. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the first layer. Then I'm going to go to the effect, then go to blending options, and then on the blending options, I'm going to turn off red, just like that. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm going to turn off red, then just say OK. Then I'm going to use the arrow key to push the text to the right. So I'm going to push it, and I have to do it to count so that I know how many steps I'm going to make. I've just made 8 steps, so I have to do the same to this. So I'm also going to do the same. Blending options. Then I'm going to turn off the blue channel and the green channel, and say OK. Then I'm going to push the text, the layer, to the right by 8 steps. That's it. That is the retro effect, just using layers and blending modes via the channel blending options, and switching on or off the channels. So that's it. That's how you create a retro effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you. Hope you enjoy watching this video tutorial. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials. Thank you.